Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So we're just coming off Mullines Road. Now we're on Waltham Park Road. Yes, it's raining. As I see in the title, it's a rain drive. I haven't done a rain drive in a while. I know some persons, like driving in the rain, like rain driving videos as well. So it's another rain drive video. So first of all, if you're new to the channel, definitely subscribe. Subscribing is absolutely free. So once that subscribe button is still red, just turn it gray. Remember to turn on your post notification bell as well, so once I do a new upload, you'll be notified. And remember to like the video, share the video, and definitely leave a comment as well. And if you're thinking about supporting the channel in a monetary way, we have PayPal for any donation support as well. So thanks to everyone that has been watching, everyone that has been supporting, to all the new subscribers, to all the long-time subscribers as well. Thanks for the support. So this is a drive down Waltham Park Road. So we're driving Waltham Park Road to Hagley Park Road, and it's a rain drive. Alright, so stay tuned. It's overcast. The video will not be the brightest because you see the condition outside. But hope you guys still enjoy it nevertheless. Alright, so let's take a drive down Waltham Park Road, and then we go on to Hagley Park Road. Alright guys, we're now approaching Hagley Park Road. As we see this wide load big trailer in front of us. Just had to do a reverse. One other thing I realized here, this doesn't have a right green filter, which shouldn't be. So you literally have to cut the traffic, which can be dangerous. They definitely need a right green filter there to filter onto Hagley Park Road. Alright, so this is the newly finished dual carriageway on Hagley Park Road. Multi-million-dollar project, basically now finished. Haven't had the official opening as yet. So I know the work is basically finished. Just some polishing up they're doing now. And straight ahead is the 3 miles overpass, or the 3 miles bridge. You know, one of the major road construction that happened in Jamaica over the last couple of months. Alright, so we'll take a drive on the bridge with you guys. Alright, so we're having some heavy rains right now. But again, just carrying you guys along the journey and just doing a rain drive with you guys. So we have the wharf in front of us. Alright guys, so as usual, thanks for always watching, thanks for always supporting, thanks to everyone that always leave a comment. So this is another rain drive from Waltham Park Road to Hagley Park Road, and definitely stay tuned for another epic video. Could be a drive-in video, it could be a property tour, or some other reviews, so stay tuned.